Hi there, I'm Nick from All Things Photography, and today I quickly want to tell you something that you may not know about the Max Lens mod for the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, so I've been using the GoPro Hero 9 for a couple of months now with the lens mod. It's absolutely amazing, but do you actually really need to buy it? Now, yesterday I watched a video on YouTube from a couple of tech guys that have got 1 million subscribers, or just over 1 million subscribers. And they just got the lens mod and they were showing how to use it on an FPV drone, which is a brilliant idea. But they were talking about it and I watched the whole video thinking they're going to mention what I know about this any minute now. They didn't, which is why I'm doing this video. I looked through the comments and no one actually pulled them up on something to do with the lens mod. Now, what it is actually quite an expensive piece of kit. So it's £90 just for a lens attachment on the front. But what it allows you to do is actually keep the horizon dead straight no matter where you move the camera. So if it goes completely around, you probably saw it on there on GoPro's promo video where it's in an aeroplane, the guy does a barrel roll but the horizon stays dead level. So I'll quickly show you what I mean, because like I said, for £90 you sort of think, well, do I really need this? It looks fantastic, so everybody's rushing out to get it, including myself. So I'm going to show you now that I've got the Max Lens mod enabled. You have to go into the menu system. If you're going to put this lens on the front, the mod, then you have to enable the mod within the menu system. So you can see now on the screen, I've got the rest of the office there. So I'm going to now press record and I'm going to turn the camera around like that. And you should see, I'll do it again the other way. You should see that the image stays completely stable regardless of me turning the camera around, which is a massive selling point for this. It's really, really cool. Okay, so, but what most people don't actually realize is you don't need the lens mod to do that. So what I'm going to do is take this off, put it down there. Now, what this actually does is gives you a wider view. So now that I've got this off, I'm going to press record again. So you can see I've got a slightly less wide angle, but it's still good nonetheless. It's still a linear mode. So I'm actually recording. I'm going to do exactly the same thing again. So you can see there, the horizon stayed still again. Let's do it again. Okay, so just by activating that inside the menu, the actual lens mod setting, you can actually still use it as as that feature. So you don't actually need this £90 piece of kit. All it does, let's put it on while it's recording. All it does, well, I won't do that. All it does is actually gives you a wider view. That's it. So if you're skiing or doing something extreme where you want a wide angle view, absolutely perfect. If you're quite happy with the view I've got here, which is kind of like almost like a 50mm lens on a camera, then if you're happy with that, then that's all you need to do. You don't need to actually buy the mod. So what I would suggest is, if you've got the GoPro Hero 9, set that setting in the menu system to allow the mod to activate, and then just use the camera as you would. And if you feel that you don't need the mod, then don't buy it. If this is wide enough for what you need it for, then great. If you want a slightly wider or a fair bit wider kind of viewpoint, then obviously you're paying £90 for that, but you're not paying £90 for that feature. You're only paying it for the wide angle view. So I hope that helps. Like I said, if you haven't bought one already, check it out on the camera first before you buy it. If you need the extra wide angle, it's definitely worth the purchase. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button for this video if you would, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates in the future, and please share this with your friends. And hopefully we'll see you all on the next video.